I said, how long has this been going on? Fuck knows, long time. Right, yeah, I have marked this guy for cutting with the jigsaw again. If I am alive, and if I am not alive, I am absolutely very fortunate. Right, I'll put that oil there to remind me to put a drop of oil in the jigsaw. Okay, so I'm ready to cut that, and I'm still going straight, I believe. Yeah, I fucking am going straight. Right. Right. Hello. Yo. Yeah, 150, 140. Okay. Prom. Right. Okay. Right, Jack. Jenga. Okay. Yo. Okay, yo. Yeah, I'm going to take that Parkside back and get my money back. That's the plan, anyway. Fucking shite Parkside. Yeah, it was almost 40 quid actually. No, not worth it. How long has it been going on? Right, send a fucking comment. Yeah. Okay, so that's that one. That's fucking that one. Yo. Okay. Shaka. Yeah, I'm making it a bit bigger. Bigger space, more, bigger fucking house for the bird. Comfort. How long has this been going on? Going on. Yo. 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 Right, Jag. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's good. So this is going down, yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Okay. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. What? There's something wrong with that picture. Something wrong with that picture. Yeah, that's why. It's like that. Something wrong with that picture, mate. What? Okay. How long has this been going on? Right. Slippy and slidey. Slipping. Rocking all over the world. What? Okay. Yeah, sure. A bit fucking dark. Yeah. Okay, happy. You might as well go a little bit further. Yo. Can't see shit. What? Yeah, alright. Yo. Yo. Yeah, I don't know. What do you reckon? A bit more? Oh, fucking cokey. Yo. Summer. What? Wah. Right. You said it was fucking that one, wasn't it? Alright, doesn't matter. It was good. And you're seeing a bit wider. Yeah, this wood's a bit tougher than the, this is real pine. Or that fucking, yeah, the stuff from my daughter. I think it's light oak. It is light oak. I don't fucking know, but it's not pine. It's heavier than pine. So I'm calling it light oak. Right, and that's better quality than the other stuff, which is really good. Yeah, less chance of it fucking splitting when I'm putting a goddamn fucking screw or nail in it. Shamahaka waka fucking Hannah. Yo, right, Jack. Shando, this is a bit dark. A bit unclear. Yo. Hello. Yeah, that looks goodish. Yeah. It's in there. Yeah, be alright. Yo, right. Shando. Right. Fucking had enough of this fucking mask. Yo. Yo. How long is this been going on? Mistake. What? Almost. Oh, it fucking was a mistake. Okay. Jagger, Jagger. That was that. The goddamn. Goddamn. Yo. Okay. Jagger, Jagger. How long has this been going on? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. We're all good. So, happy. Happy, happy. Yeah. 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 What? Show. Yo. Not exactly on the corner there, are you? Huh? No, you're not. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming to my limit. Ho! Yo. And there's still another fucking 3 to go, maybe. 3 to go. Yo. Right. Do I want to crack on? Don't know what I'm doing with the very bottom. Still continue to take that off. So yeah, might as well. Indeed. Right, now you need to be fucking careful, Jack. Yeah, it's a good idea to stop and have a fucking look instead of just fucking cracking on, fucking cutting fucking things, and then you fucking realize that you fucked it up. Good idea to stop and have a wee look, eh? I was just about to make a fuck up then, because this is at an angle, and if I cut it straight, if I cut that fucking straight, then I'm losing, yeah, could be a major fuck up. So I need to put that jigsaw at an angle. Yeah, good, lucky, thank you, God of jigsaws, and fucking the God of breaks, the God of have a look, calm down, have a break, have a fucking Kit Kat. Yo. How long has this been going on? Right. What? So that is at an angle. That is at an what? That is at a angle. So you got to cut that at an angle, but not the back bit. Does it matter about the back bit? No, it doesn't matter at all. Maybe, fucking maybe. That's going on there. So if you cut that at an angle, It doesn't make any difference. Does it make a difference? No, and I don't need that straight either. So that means, my sweet Lord Jesus fucking Christ. Still waiting on some fucker telling me what H means and Jesus H Christ. Fucking wankers, send me a fucking comment. Jesus fucking H Christ. Right, so doing that at an angle, so might as well make that, yeah, that can be wider. For the little bird, there'll be a little chick sitting in that little corner there that I'm just about to cut out, that I've just marked. Yeah, and he'll be sitting in there all cozy and not even knowing that some beautiful fucking human being did that with him in mind. Or her, or maybe it's a non-binary bird. Absolutely fucking mental, eh? Right, cool. Non-binary birds. Jesus Christ, that could be the yeah, it could be the title of the video. Non-binary birds. This, I think, is going to be a long video. 37 fucking minutes. 34. Do I crack on? Yeah. Fuck knows. I mean, fuck knows. Fuck. Why not? Why the fuck not? Might as well. I don't care if you watch it anyway. Right. I'm really like, please watch it. Fuck off. Right. Okay. So, Joe, that's going to be at a angle, which means you need a bigger drill bit. Yeah, it's going to be at an angle. Well, I don't know. I mean, you could just fucking drill it at an angle. Never done that before, have you? No, you haven't. So which way are you going? That way? Or that way? I don't know. Been cutting it that way up till now. Ah, that's a point. Yeah, alright then. So we're going to go that way. We are going to go that way. And it doesn't matter, he says. So we're doing it at an angle. What? In that way. And it's going to be about that angle, okay? Alright, this is definitely not fucking German. This is definitely Irish. No fucking measurements, no angle fucking thing or nothing. Angle iron. What do you call it in German? That fucking square thing. It's not Eichelherr. Eichelherr is Blue Jay. Eisen. Come on. What? Fucking set square. God damn. Can't remember. I know that fucking drawer. One of them guys is fucking Schublade in fucking German. I mean, what the fuck? Where the fuck the hell does that come out of? Schublade. Nice. One of my first German words I ever learned. Schublade. And tiroir in French. Fucking good I am, eh? Right. Okay. At a fucking angle. Sweet Lord. Yo, my baby. Yo. I seem to be rushing. Yeah, it's because I have to go fucking shopping. That's why. Been ordered. Yeah, something like that. Definitely not German. What? I don't know. Is it supposed to lock in? Can't remember. How long has this been going on? Right. Tighten it and then discover that I've done it at the wrong angle. Hence the Germans are more efficient than the Irish. Yeah, maybe. Fuck, I don't know. Is that going to be a problem? No, it's not going to be a problem. It's going to fucking go all the way around out there, all the way around like that, all the way around like that, and back to that. Okay. Yeah, definitely Irish. Right, nice. Okay. Shout out to the German fucking efficient fucking system. How the fucking hell they lost the fucking war? Fucking don't fucking know. Jesus fucking Christ. What? Don't talk about the war. Not allowed to. Fuck off. Right. Yo, time is fucking flying. Sweet Jesus fucking Christ. It's a bit dusty, a bit fucking fusty and musty. Right, so let's have a fucking gander at these. This is going to be the bottom. I don't know whether I'm going to put another piece on that. I don't know. You put 2 fucking holes in it now. Yeah, it might be nice to put a piece on there actually. But then that means his chin. Yeah, that's alright. I think. I don't fucking know. Does it make any difference now? Ask yourself that. Yeah, because you want to know where the bottom of the bird box is. So the deeper the bird box, the better. Right, okay then. So let's fucking put that fucking bastard back up there. Might as well fucking crack on then. And is this going to make any fucking difference to the proposal of fucking excellence? No, it isn't. Right. So continue to continue to make a hole to make the bird fucking box deeper and deeper and deeper into the beyond. Right. Fair enough. Doesn't matter. Okay. Right, so that means you're cutting that at an angle again. Yeah, you could. It's coming in that way, so the more space the better for the little birds. Is that a crack? Is that a fucking break? Right. Yeah, and really fucking something like that. Yeah, gotta think about the little bird. Henry, Freddy, non-binary bird sitting in the corner there. Okay, yeah, blessings upon the fucking first known non-binary bird. Freddy. Francis, Frederico. Right, fuck's sake. Angle Eisen. Can't fucking, what? Doesn't matter. German. Right. So, what does this mean? Yeah, let's go for that. German. Don't talk about the war. Right. Faulty Towers. fucking goose eisen, I think, is cast iron. Goose eisen? Maybe. I don't know, can't remember. Right. Still trying to think on fucking set square. It actually translates to angle iron, which is not what we call a set square. Something like that. I mean, yeah, it was after a deep and meaningful conversation with Karsten in France many years ago, and partaking in drinking fucking loads and loads of fucking vodka, and I mean good quality stuff. Jesus fucking Christ. Minus 18 it was. It was winter time, and I was living in a fucking treehouse. It was fucking unbelievable. Drinking fucking vodka, minus fucking 18, and staggering to the fucking treehouse, and trying to light a fucking fire in my fucking treehouse, minus fucking 18, and I did it. It's just as well, because I probably would have woke up dead. Woke up dead maybe. Fuck knows. Or not woken up. Yeah, what does it matter? But it was fucking excellent winter. Right. Shut up. No. Another one bites the dust. And another one's gone, another one's gone, another one bites the dust. Yeah, okay. So what the fuck is happening again? You're continuing right down to the very fucking base. I don't know. That's not fucking right, is it? No, it's not. How is that not right? Because that is going fucking underneath. My God. Yo. So, I'm cracking on, yeah? Yeah, that's right. Nothing is stopping you from moving. Moving, moving, moving. Keep those something moving. What? Don't try to understand them, just rope 'em, steer 'em, brand 'em. Wishing my girl was by my side. Yo. Right, well, back to the pine end of the light oak. But that is a full piece of pine, so that's not too bad. In fact, it's fucking excellent. Getting into a bit of a point though. A bit of a point. I don't know. What do you reckon? Yeah, that's okay. Yo. Don't try to understand them, just rope 'em, steer 'em, brand 'em. It'll be all over soon, kid. Be alright. Be all over fucking soon. Thank the gods. What? Dirty scumbags. Yep. Fucking I hope there is a God. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Wouldn't that be so fucking excellent? What's your name? Mohammed. What? Who's the other one? Fucking Jacob? Fucking Michael? Fucking Sebastian? Isaac? What? Fuck off. I'd fucking love to meet some fucking God. Jesus fucking Christ. What do you call it? Olympus or something? I mean, how many fucking names is there for God? Jesus fucking Christ. They are obviously fucking, absolutely, obviously fucking mental. Fucking mad bastards. Right. Yeah, that looks good. Gack. Oh. Fucking scumbags. What? Oh. Ha. Don't try to understand them. Yes, Robin. Okay, we are cracking on. Yo. Yo. Yeah, Makita is getting rattly dattly. Come on, some fucking wanker send me a fucking comment. Tell me where I can get it fucking refurbished. Otherwise, I think I'm going to have to buy a Makita. Yeah, and they're fucking expensive. Jesus. I don't even know if I've got the money to buy one, actually. Right. Yeah, this is getting thin. Yeah. Is this going to be a problem? I have no idea now what you're doing. Yeah, that's going on there, okay. Yeah, that is fucking touch and go. That is touch and go, baby. Yeah, making things difficult here for myself. What? You can't see fucking bollocks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is like almost impossible to get a fucking screw in there. Okay, yeah, you can get a couple in there. Alright then. Okay, okay. So I was thinking about the little beautiful bird stuck at the bottom and giving him more space, and I'm making things harder for myself. Yeah, okay. So that must be the chin there. No, it's not the chin. Well, I don't know. Is it the fucking chin? Yeah, it is the chin. Okay. So it's like that, isn't it? So that guy goes there. Fucking feet are getting cold. That is the last piece. That is the last piece. And you don't know. Okay. Yeah, I am going to put a piece on there. And I'm gonna. I don't know. So let's have a fucking look at the goddamn fucking thing. Right. Yo. Jesus Christ, what an adventure. What a goddamn adventure. Mother bitch. Right, so old. Right, you're fucking going on there. You're going on there. Can you see it? Yeah, maybe. Right, that's going on there. That. What? What? Yeah, that's why you fucking screwed it all together, huh? Because it was sliding and slipping around every time. Right, fucking no idea. Lips. Yeah, okay. Get over there. Yeah, that's going on there. So what you're trying to discover is, are you putting another piece on the bottom? Might as well straighten the fucking eyes up. That doesn't look right. That is definitely not right. That is fucking definitely not right. Is it like that? No, it's fucking not. Maybe it's like that. Maybe, baby. Yeah. Jesus, come on. How long is this fucking video? Jesus Christ. Fucking battery must be about to die. How long? This is almost as long as that Russian kid that I've been watching. I wish I could remember his fucking name. He's absolutely fucking incredible. I think his videos must be private though. He subscribed to me, so that means I can look at his videos. I'm subscribed to him so that I can look at his videos. But when I search him on normal YouTube, he's not there. So maybe he doesn't know that his videos are private. If I'm right, probably wrong. 1 fucking hour. What? My God. There is fucking no way that people are going to watch this. Might as well crack on then. Right, I'm just going to put this together and then show it to you. But why? Nothing has fucking changed. So the fucking ear is there. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this. I mean, I do. I'm doing it for me. So I can fucking look at it. Yo. Alright, does that fucking fit on there? Doesn't fucking matter, does it? Okay, now that's pretty good. Right, my Jesus fucking Christ. Alright. Yo. So I have all of that with the jigsaw, but you already fucking know that because you fucking watched me fucking doing it. And yeah, I've just slid it all together. Why I'm doing this video here, I've got absolutely fucking no idea. Right, let's go back and see if I can get it on here without deleting the fucking video. Right then, right, this is it, fucking finished. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. My fucking candle's gone out while I'm doing this thing, so my coffee is possibly cold. It fucking is cold. Right, you bastard. Okay, yeah, subscribe, share, hit the fucking like button, ring the fucking bell, contact Elon Musk, send a fucking comment, check out the description and the link below. There's definitely something else. What the fucking hell am I missing? Yeah, does it matter? No, it doesn't matter, but I want to know anyway. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, money, comment. There's definitely something missing. Oh yeah, description. That's fucking everything. Right. Obviously, most important thing, give yourself a fucking love and a fucking hug if you fucking can. Check out meditation, only Osho meditation. Everybody else is fucking shite. I've absolutely no idea. Check them out anyway. Wishing you have the greatest day of your life. Greatest day of your fucking life. Send a fucking comment, you fucking assholes. Seriously. Ciao.